Hello everyone, welcome to my show Anchor Kiran Presents. That is AK Presents. So, hello my Facebook family, and I'll wait for each one of you to join me over here. Hello everyone, guys, where are you? I'm here with your favorite episode for now. Hello, hi. So, few of my viewers are joining. So, welcome my Facebook family. Okay, I know every one of you have been waiting for this day. होना भी क्यों नहीं चाहिए आज आपका फ्यूचर स्पेशल है दैट इज द टेरो रीडिंग स्पेशल एपिसोड with me over here. Hi Kayam, hi Shivam. Okay, hello guys, how are you? Of course, Shivam, I definitely remember your question. I'll add my tarot reader very soon. Let all of my friends join over here. So बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आप लोग ने मुझे यहाँ पर दिए हैं. आई जस्ट वांट टू वेट फ्यू ऑफ माय व्यूअर्स टू जॉइन ताकि वो लोग अपने आंसर्स मिस ना करें. सो लेट्स ऑल द व्यूअर्स जॉइन ओवर हियर फॉर नाउ. एंड आज हमारे बीच जो टेरो रीडर हैं उनका नाम है अलका सहदेव जी. एंड she has achieved so much in that like very young age. And जितनी वो प्यारी सी है, she has a beautiful voice and she looks so pretty, and the way she reads the cards, it's like, you know, very smoothly. So मैं चाहूंगी कि आप सब उनसे यहाँ पर मिले, तो उसके लिए हम थोड़ा सा वेट कर लेते हैं. Let other people join, let everyone join slowly. Okay, so hello everyone, keep joining. And जितने लोग यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं, शिवम, कायम एंड एवरीवन ओवर हियर, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू कि इस वीडियो को प्लीज शेयर कर दीजिए ताकि जो लोग जिनके क्वेश्चंस हैं मेरे पास और जो अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए हैं वो यहाँ पे हमें जरूर ज्वाइन करें. ओके. Oh, thank you, Shivam. Thank you so much. Uh, Hello, Kurejo Abdul Hafiz ji. Jai Sindhi Sai. Jai Julelal. And okay, so without wasting any more time, I'm going to invite my guest for the day. And her name is Alka Sehdev, the very pretty tarot reader over here. So let's welcome Alka over here. And here we go. Hi, Alka. Welcome to my show, AK Presents. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you? Okay.
Hi,
So,
everybody.
Alka, we have already got so many.
Kiran,
We have
her name
already got
is
so many
Ulka.
questions. Okay, it's Ulka. Sorry, it's
Yeah,
Ulka. Okay. Yeah, it starts
yeah,
with you, right?
you.
So we have Ulka Sehdev, the tarot reader,
Hi, everybody.
and I must say, Ulka, you're very pretty and your voice is so lovely.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you. And hi, Akash. And so this is for you, Shivam Mishra, waiting, eagerly waiting for her cards to know. तो गाइस अगर आप लोग के क्वेश्चंस हैं और आप लोग मुझे ऑलरेडी भेज चुके हैं तो नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में हाय जरूर लिखिएगा ताकि मुझे याद रहे कि आप लोग आ चुके हैं और आप लोग ने ज्वाइन कर लिया है. तो आकाश, कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो नीचे आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. जिन्होंने मुझे पहले से क्वेश्चंस नहीं भेजे थे, नो वरीज फॉर दैट, बिकॉज आप लोग अभी भी नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में क्वेश्चंस लिख के भेज सकते हैं हमें. एंड उसके साथ ही वी विल आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. ओके. हाय अलका, यूनिक नेम, आकाश जी कह रहे हैं. ओके.
Thank you.
सो चलिए अलका, शुरुआत करते हैं. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है. सबसे पहले शिवम मिश्रा यहाँ पर हैं. तो शिवम मिश्रा जी का सवाल है कि उनकी शादी कब होगी. अच्छा, मैं आपको बता दूं, मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस मेरे पास शादी से रिलेटेड ही
I'm
है.
sure. I'm sure. It's either personal life or financial life.
या
Mostly यही
एग्जैक्टली.
होता
सो
है.
यही सारे मोस्टली यही होता है.
Alright, so his complete name is Shivam Srivastav.
शिवम शिवम मिश्रा.
Mishra, okay. So
या
this is for Shivam Mishra. Let me just quickly shuffle the cards for you, Shivam. This is for Shivam Mishra. Okay. Alright, so his question is, when will he get married?
Yeah.
Okay. Shivam, Divine, please tell us, when will Shivam get married? When will Shivam get married? When will Shivam get married? Alright, Shivam. For you, it seems like, should I talk in Hindi or English, or is it fine?
Both. You can use any language, Hindi or English.
Alright. So, Shivam, the first card that we got for you is the Five of Swords. It seems like you need to leave a negative situation behind, and I think you already are working on this. Seems like there are people in the past, could be your friends or family, or even your ex-partners that might have hurt you, and you're leaving that situation behind, which is amazing. Good times are coming. This is the Wheel of Fortune that we've got here. So seems like good times are coming. Luck is going to favor you. Keep strong. आप देखते रहो रिश्ते. I'm sure in like next 3 to 6 months you should finalize your rishta really, and you have to be a bit vigilant and make sure that you're coming from a positive place. Like, don't come from a feeling of lack कि मेरा तो रिश्ता हो ही नहीं रहा है, everybody is getting married except for me. Don't come from that place. Make sure that even if it happens after 6 months, you find the perfect partner, and that should be your focus. Make sure कि आप positive place से आ रहे हो, not from a feeling of lack or negativity that everybody is getting married and only I am left behind. Make sure that you come from a feeling of, finding the perfect partner. So I think luck is turning in your favor. It should not take more than 3 to 6 months, is what I will predict for you. All the best.
Wow. So that was it for Shivam. Congratulations, Shivam. Okay, तो मैं शिवम के साथ डील कर रही हूँ कि इसकी शादी में एंट्री नहीं करूँगी. Okay. And I must tell you, Ulka, कि Shivam is a very amazing singer. He's an artist.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah, he's a very good artist, very good performer. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. निशांत मिश्रा जी का क्वेश्चन था कि उनकी सिस्टर, उन्होंने IVF कराया है अभी, तो what are the chances of having a baby and all? उनकी सिस्टर का नाम उन्होंने नहीं बताया.
What is
निशांत
the
मिश्रा.
Nishant's complete? Nishant Mishra.
निशांत मिश्रा, yeah, उनकी सिस्टर.
Okay. This is from Nishant Mishra's sister. See, I generally need a name, so everybody who's posting questions, please make sure
Okay,
you put the name of the person involved that you're asking
okay,
for. But let's just give it a shot anyway. This
yeah,
is for
because
Nishant
Nishant is not
Mishra's
here.
sister. Okay. This is for Nishant Mishra's sister. All right. Let's see. So, Divine, after the IVF, will his sister be able to conceive?
Yeah.
After the IVF, will his sister be able to conceive? After the IVF, will his sister be able to conceive? Will his sister be able to conceive? See, it looks like in the past there was a lot of stress, but you guys handled, I think the sister handled it very maturely. She did not let the hope go. She has a lot of passion towards this endeavor, which rightly she would, I am guessing. Um, I do see a new beginning. This could mean a very strong yes, because it's Ace of Wands. And Wands basically depict a lot of passion, something you hold very close to your heart. And Ace means a beginning. So if you ask, then I would definitely say this looks like there is a very strong possibility. And we have Ten of Swords in reverse, which means all the stress, all the anxiety, all the burden, baggage, hurt that was related to this new beginning is going to go away, because this Ten of Swords came in reverse. So this again is a very, I like Ten of Swords when it is reversed. Um, an advice for her is to meditate, do things that make her happy. Definitely, because when you're happy, when you're positive, you attract good
Hmm.
things in your life. So make sure that you go inwards. The sister goes inwards and even tries to meditate, do things that she likes. And I see her going from turbulent waters to calmer waters, from going from point A to point B, which again is going for IVF treatment and then finally conceiving. So hopefully, I
Wow.
think it will. I definitely think it will.
Wow,
And the
amazing.
bottom of the
You
deck is lovers, so I definitely think it's a good card to have.
lovely. Thank you. Okay, so यहाँ पर कुलदीप कौर जी हैं. Her name is Kuldeep Kaur, and this lady has worked really, really hard for her career. She is an assistant professor, and she's having, I guess, 3 or 4 master's degree in different streams. But she's still struggling for her career. So she wants to know कि उनका उन्होंने एक कोई गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम दिया है, उसका रिजल्ट 1 डेढ़ साल से नहीं आया है. तो शी wants to know कि उनका फ्यूचर क्या होगा अब. शी हैज लाइक वो कहती है कि 14 साल की मेरी तपस्या है, तो उसका मुझे क्या फल मिलेगा. So she basically
Okay.
she's suffering a lot, though she deserves very much, but she's not getting it anyway. So she wants to know about your profession कि वो कब
I
तक कितना
think
आगे
this
जाएंगे.
also, you know, we humans, like people in general, believe,
Yeah,
first of all, we believe that physical hard work is everything, which is not true at all. Of course, physical hard work, you have to put in the hard work to make or, you know, make the life that you
yeah,
want, but you also have to, imply law of attraction. It's very important. Most of us, we don't
right.
do. And
Hmm.
let's say we're giving an exam. Let's say I am giving an exam, and if my
Right.
thought is that I would not clear it, then मेरा तो होगा
हाँ,
ही नहीं, then we would
हाँ.
never be able to clear it. You have to come from a place of love, hope, and all of that. So first of all, I think
Basically a power
uh,
of positivity.
exactly, law of attraction is real, guys. Really, it is.
Yeah.
What is the name again? I'll just
Kuldeep
shuffle
Kaur.
the cards. Okay,
Okay.
this is for Kuldeep Kaur. Kuldeep Kaur and her career. Kuldeep Kaur and her career line. So I'll just ask what is going to happen in her career in the near future.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is going to happen for Kuldeep Kaur in her career in the near future? Kuldeep Kaur's career in the near future. Okay. Kuldeep Kaur's career in the near. Alright. First of all, Kuldeep, I think you have a lot of. I'm getting shivers. I'm getting goosebumps. You really need to sort of calm down. I would definitely advise you to at least start writing affirmations. Google positive affirmations for career or for life. Start meditating. Start going for walks in the moons. In the moon, I mean, because moonlight walking, when you walk in the moonlight, it really calms your soul. I also do that. Career for Kuldeep. Career for Kuldeep. See, the cards are also saying the same thing, Kuldeep. You really need to balance your energies. आपकी अभी energies बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर नीचे हुई हैं. I think you should also listen to chakra balancing meditation on YouTube. You can easily find it. Just write chakra balancing meditation. You'll easily find it because you really need to create a balance. Your life is quite off balance. You feel like rushing into things or things manifesting for you very quickly, but you're not putting the hard work. Like physical hard work आप डाल रहे हो, but जो एक एनर्जी या सोल लेवल का हार्ड वर्क होता है वो आप नहीं कर रहे हो. यू आर वेरी हर्ट. आई सी दैट एंड आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी बिकॉज व्हेन यू पुट इन ऑल द हार्ड वर्क दैट यू थिंक इज अप्रोप्रिएट टू गेट अ जॉब or get a life that we want for ourselves and we don't get it, of course we'll feel hurt. But the divine is guiding you that leave all the negativity behind. If something is making you feel hurt, if something is blocking you or causing you hurt, leave that situation or person behind. If you keep focusing on bad things, that I did this and this Falana person did not do all of these things, I have all these certificates in education, but I'm still not there, and this Falana person is, then this is coming from a feeling of lack. And if you are in that situation, if you are giving universe all of those feelings, then you would not be able to manifest good things into your life. Again, we have Five of Cups. So this look at this person. They're looking at the cups that have fallen down. They're not looking at the cups that are upright. So stop looking at things that have not come to pass for you. Stop. Basically, just you need to release a lot of negativity. If you think that you're feeling blocked, if you think that things have not worked out your way, then they never will. The bottom of the deck is Ace of Pentacles, which means that divine is guiding you. Start fresh. I think all the things that I've suggested you, start practicing those. Write affirmations, go for walks in the moon, start listening to healing meditation, and all of these things should be able to help you. And that is when you will be able to attract a new job, stable life, stable career, more money into your life. So I'm not saying all is lost or there's no hope, but you really need to release a lot of negative emotions that you're holding on to.
It's needed. So that is very true. She has worked really, really hard, and she's a very kind-hearted lady. Actually, she's my professor. She's my professor for
Oh.
5 years in my law, and very close to us. But she has worked really hard, and we all students हम सब चाहते हैं कि नहीं मैम को वो position मिले जो वो actually में deserve करती हैं. So here
But
comes the
sometimes
next
what happens
question.
is, sure.
Hmm. Yeah, no, no, no. You please go ahead.
So sometimes what happens is when we want something and we don't have it, what we think is हमारे पास नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है. Like maybe for some people it's like I'm not getting married, I'm not getting married, or I'm not getting the job that
Mm-hmm.
I want. And instead of focusing,
Mm-hmm.
looking at it from a positive perspective, in the sense like let's say I want XYZ thing. So I will always
Yeah.
think that I'm attracting it into my life instead of thinking
Mm-hmm.
I don't have it, then you'll never have it. So make sure
Agree.
that when you're thinking about things that you want to attract into your life, you look at it from a positive angle instead of lack angle.
Okay. So this is Akash Srivastav. He is the Radio City Super Singer winner
Oh
last
wow.
year, and here is his question.
Yes.
I am a singer. What will be my future in the field of singing?
Okay. Can I have his name again?
Interest
I'm sorry, I am very
Akash. It's
forgetful.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know. That's okay. Akash Srivastav. You can see the name on the screen also.
Akash Srivastava. Okay. This is for career for Akash Srivastava. Career for Akash Srivastava. All right. Akash is a singer. How is his career going to be in the near future?
Hmm.
How is his career going to be? How is his career going to be in the near future, Divine? Okay. The first card that we've got is
Hmm.
the Magician card, which when it comes out in any reading for a person, I always tell them that you have the skill and ability to manifest anything into your life. So if you use it well, if you keep positive, if you focus on achieving your dreams, you definitely will, Akash. Never lose hope, because if people who have the skill or ability to manifest anything, they can easily manifest good things and bad things.
Hmm.
So make sure whenever you're thinking about your career, you always have positive thoughts. And if not positive, sometimes. Give me 1 second. My AirPod died. Yes. So whenever
Okay.
you're manifesting anything, can you hear me?
Hmm. Yeah,
So
yeah.
whenever.
I can hear you.
Okay. So whenever you're thinking about your career, make sure that you have positive thoughts. And I think you will be able to manifest whatever you want in your life. You have that skill. Next is, I think, don't tell people a lot about what is happening in your career. Make sure that you keep your cards very close to your chest. Don't spread, if let's say you're getting a new project, till the time you've not got
Hmm.
it, don't tell people. Because sometimes what happens is, I believe in evil eye a lot. So sometimes what happens is, before we get it, we get excited and we tell people, I'm going to get this project, and then
True.
eventually we don't, because evil eye. So I'm not saying you're surrounded by negative people. I'm just saying that make sure that until and unless you get a project, don't tell people, and also don't how should I put this? Don't lend a lot of money. Like if somebody wants to borrow some money from you, I would say that you need to guard your money and your success.
Hmm.
Then is I think you will be getting a new and a big project soon. Let me just get a
Mm-hmm.
clarification card on this one. Why do we have the Queen of Wands? Why do we have the Queen of Wands? Definitely. You're definitely going to get a new project. We've got an Ace of Wands here. So I bet you're very passionate about your singing. And an ace means something new, a fresh start. So you're definitely getting something new in the near future. When I say near
Mm-hmm.
future, I mean 3 to 6 months.
Okay.
And we have got the Two of Swords. So I'm sure we all have these times when we feel a bit blocked and we start building these walls around ourselves. So don't do that. Talk to people who can help you. Talk to your family. Talk to your close friends who you think are your, tribe or extended family, whoever you basically relate to. Don't just block yourself out. That's very important.
Wow.
So
I
that's what
hope
I have for you,
आकाश आपने ये
Akash.
आंसर सुना होगा. So I hope he is quite satisfied with this. एंड दैट्स ट्रू लाइक ऐसा हम लोग ने बचपन में मम्मी से सुना है कि जब भी कुछ करने जाओ उससे पहले किसी को मत बोलो, जस्ट डू इट क्वाइटली.
Hmm.
सो दैट रियली
And that is
हैपेंस लाइक.
very true. Yes, it does.
ओके. Wow. Okay. So next we have advocate Anshuman Shreyas. इनके दो क्वेश्चंस हैं. पहला दोनों वही है जो हमने
Hmm.
स्टार्टिंग से गेस कर रहे थे. ही इज इनटू द फील्ड ऑफ लॉ एंड ट्राइंग फॉर द गवर्नमेंट जॉब. This is his first question कि will he be able to make it for it or not. And the second one obviously कि जो उनके loving partner हैं उनसे इनकी शादी होगी कि नहीं, like love marriage हो कि arrange marriage.
Okay.
And this is Akash जिनकी आपने अभी रीडिंग करी थी. Please read the message. Thank you Akash.
Okay. So,
So
the
Anshuman
advocate's name
Shreyas.
is Anshuman
Anshuman
Shreyas.
Shreyas.
Okay. Okay. So this is for Anshuman Shreyas Divine. This is for Anshuman Shreyas. Okay. So the first question is, will he be getting the government job that he wanted?
Hmm.
I'm sorry, that's my dog in the background.
It's
Um,
okay. I too have one and she's sleeping right now, luckily.
this one is such a brat. Okay, so Anshuman Shreyas, will he be getting the job that he wants? Anshuman, the first thought that came out is you are quite passionate about this. I see that Nine of Cups to me is the card of wish fulfillment. So if I have to say, will you be able to get the job, then I think you will be, because this card says that your wish is going to get fulfilled. The next card is everything is fine, but the person is lying down. There's so many swords in the back. This means, and the bottom of the deck is, I mean, bottom of the card is everything is fine. So if you're feeling negative, if you're thinking कि नहीं मिलेगी मुझे ये job, then it's all in your head. But again, like I always say, what you think is what you manifest. Thoughts become things. It's real, guys. So don't think negative. I don't think it's required really. And then we have the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles basically depict money, finances, stability, all of that. So I would definitely say that you will be able to get that job.
Oh wow. Congrats Anshuman Ria. We are
And the
all set
next
for the
question is,
party. About his marriage. About his, if it will be love or arrange or will he get his loving partner?
so So let's just ask, will his marriage be a love marriage or an arranged marriage? I think
Or
that should
arrange.
answer,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
will
Definitely.
Anshuman's marriage be a love marriage? Yes or no? Divine. Will Anshuman's marriage be a love marriage? Yes or no? One card. I think so, yes. This is the Three of Cups.
Oh
It's a
wow.
very happy card. It's a card of enjoyment. It's a card of union. It's a very happy card. See, look at the card. These people are having a lot of
Wow.
fun. So I
Yeah.
think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay, amazing. Okay,
Okay.
so we can go for yes or no cards also. That's nice. And I have one beautiful
Yeah.
compliment for you, Ulka. Here it is. Ulka Sehdev ji, why you are so beautiful? Okay, good. I don't know.
Thank you.
This is Kayam. Okay, bye. And Kayam ji ने अपना क्वेश्चन तो खैर मुझे बताया नहीं था. So let it be for now. I Next question we can move on to is from Satpreet ji. वो सतप्रीत जी का क्वेश्चन है कि माई लाइफ इज फुल ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन्स आई नेवर एवर शेयर माई प्रॉब्लम विद एनी वन इन माई लाइफ आई हार्डली स्लीप मेरी प्रॉब्लम का अंत कब है और कैसे है या फिर मेरी फुल लाइफ ऐसे ही चलेगी सतप्रीत सिंह
Oh,
इज
how sad. Don't talk like that. Okay. So, Satpreet, right?
या सतप्रीत सिंह
Okay. This is for Satpreet. This is for Satpreet Singh. This is for Satpreet Singh. All right, let's see. Um, so because these are so many questions, I'm going to frame it into one question. Let's just
या
ask him that when will his life become stable? Yes?
स्टेबल या
When will
वी
Satpreet's
कैन गो
life
फॉर इट
become stable? When will Satpreet's life become stable? When will Satpreet's life? When will Satpreet's life? When will his life become stable? Oh my God, so many swords.
ओहो
Why do we have the Knight of Pentacles? Why do we have the Knight of Pentacles? Okay. Why do we have the Eight of Swords? Why do we have the Nine of Swords? And I'm taking extra cards out for him because this question is so heartbreaking.
ओह
Um, all right. Okay, Satpreet, first of all, you will get money, stability, whatever you want in your life. You for sure will get all of that. I think let me just quickly check. Yes. So you will be able to attract all of that in your life. Don't lose hope at all. So the first card that came out for you is the Knight of Pentacles. Pentacle depicts stability, finances, growth, success, all of that. And the Knight of Pentacles, it is slow growth. All right. So you will be able to achieve success and all of that in your life, but it's going to be a bit slow. I think the first thing that the divine or God wants to tell you is that you need to learn to say no to people. I think
या
आप नहीं बोलते हो, you offer a lot of help, but you should turn into somebody like don't let people emotionally manipulate you and get you to do stuff for them. Make sure whatever you're doing, you're doing because you want to do it, not because people around you are manipulating you into doing such things. I think you've blocked yourself, Satpreet. I think there's a lot of stress and anxiety, but most of it, sometimes what we think is, um, sometimes it happens to me also. I'm sure किरण के साथ भी होता होगा ऐसे कि इतनी negative situation होती नहीं है, but because of our anxiety, because of
राइट
our negative thoughts, हम उस situation को ज़्यादा negative अपने head में बना लेते हैं. So what these
राइट
cards are telling me is that you don't have such a bad life. Sabreet, if you think that you are living the worst life, then you will manifest it. So whatever thoughts you have, you will manifest that kind of life. And I think आप ज़्यादा negative हो रहे हो इतना शायद बुरा है नहीं जितना हम सोचते हैं कई बार और उसकी वजह से हम attract कर लेते हैं. So the divine is saying you have got the magician card. एंड मैंने स्टार्टिंग में भी
Okay.
बोला था, जिन लोगों की रीडिंग में मैजिशियन कार्ड आता है, इट मीन्स दैट यू हैव द एबिलिटी टू अट्रैक्ट एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ. दिस कुड बी गुड एंड एट द सेम टाइम दिस कुड बी बैड. So if you
Right.
focus on only bad things, things that did not work out for you, तो आपके साथ वैसे ही होता रहेगा. You need to really release these negative emotions that you know, surrounded yourself with and basically blocked. See, we have two of swords. ये भी कितना blocked card है. So there's a lot of stress that you're battling. I understand that. So what I'll suggest you is, एक तो start slow. Do little things that make you happy. Because if you're not happy, or से नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव कोई नहीं हो सकता, आप नेगेटिव से न्यूट्रल हो सकते हो. सो स्टार्ट
Right.
डूइंग थिंग्स दैट मेक यू एटलीस्ट न्यूट्रल इफ नॉट हैप्पी,
Okay.
and that's when you will be able to manifest good things into your life. I think first of all you should google a few affirmations to
Mm-hmm.
just type affirmations for positivity and start writing those
Mm-hmm.
affirmations every day with red pen or pink pen. That really helps.
Okay.
I do it every day. Since the last three
Mm-hmm.
years, I've been writing affirmations, and it really, really does help. I can swear on it. I do it myself. So these things would definitely help you. But I
Okay.
do see that if you really realize your potential, and you start
Mm-hmm.
focusing on positive in your life, you will be able to attract good things. This is an ace of wands card, which means that if you really put your heart and soul into something, it will manifest for you. So I think you should
Okay.
quickly like start writing affirmations from today onwards. Listen to um, go to YouTube, type in healing meditation, listen to that before going to bed, light a candle once or twice
Okay.
in a day for an hour, sit close by to the candle while you're working. That also helps burn a
Mm-hmm.
lot of negativity. I also do it.
Okay.
So start doing
Nice.
these things. Start turning your thoughts from negative to positive. Only then will you be able to
Mm-hmm.
manifest good things in your life.
Okay. So I just wanted to know कि सतप्रीत के लिए आपके जो ब्रेसलेट्स हैं, if is anyone going to help him? जो आपकी मर्केंडाइज है, जो आपके ब्रेसलेट्स आपने लॉन्च किए हैं, उनमें से
So
कुछ
what
हेल्प
I
करेगा
do,
इनको?
श्योर ऑफ कोर्स करेगा. जैसे कुछ लोग होते हैं, जैसे सप्रीत बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता है, so I have a bracelet that is called a Wheel of Fortune bracelet.
Okay.
उससे क्या होता है, you attract good luck and good fortune into your life. So I will definitely
Mm-hmm.
tell Satpreet to go through my Instagram page and check that out. These are handmade bracelets. I do Reiki and meditation on those. So they are Reiki charge, meditation charge bracelets. And I think I will also like to suggest positivity wala bracelet for him. So these two bracelets,
Okay.
if he wears, I am sure
Positive.
it will
Okay.
help.
ओके सो मैम अगर ये ब्रेसलेट्स हम लोग आपसे परचेज करते हैं तो हाउ वी कैन चार्ज इट फर्दर और इट विल गो टिल लॉन्ग दे आर लाइक कम्प्लीटली एनर्जाइज और या फिर उनको पहनने के बाद एवरी मंथ या एवरी फोर्टनाइट हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा टू चार्ज देम टू कीप देम मोर चार्ज.
Not really. आपको कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You can wear them throughout the day. You want to go to the gym, you want to take a shower, wear them. It's fine. And I
ओके.
believe that if you want to really charge them, then आप ऐसे once in like 3 months you can keep them in the sun, and that
ओके.
also helps releasing any negative thoughts or emotions that get trapped
ओके.
in the bracelet. But what
ओके.
I do is everybody, you know how
हाँ.
Reiki works, right?
या
So
एग्जैक्टली.
when I charge my bracelets after every 3 months, I do a general Reiki for all the bracelets
ओके.
that I've
ओके.
shipped everywhere,
हाँ हाँ.
because Reiki
हाँ
is
हाँ.
distant healing, right? तो मैं वैसे भी
ओके.
every 3 months सबको Reiki healing भेजती ही हूँ. So even if you don't put
ओके.
it out there in the sun, I will be sending Reiki healing anyway.
वाह दिस इज अमेजिंग. सो मैं चाहूंगी कि आप जब किसी की जॉब ग्रोथ या किसी की मैरिज के बारे में बताएं तो उनसे रिलेटेड आप उनको अपने ब्रेसलेट्स भी सजेस्ट करें. सो इन केस अगर कोई
Sure.
जल्दी चेंज देखना चाहता है या फायदा देखना चाहता है तो वो हमसे कनेक्ट करके गाइस इफ यू वांट टू बाय एनी काइंड ऑफ ब्रेसलेट्स you can either message her on Instagram or Facebook or in any case of confusion I'm already available. सबके पास मेरे WhatsApp नंबर है. You can get her number from me. Right, Ulka? You can get connected to me
Yes, sure.
and
Why not? And if you're confused कि
तो
आपको कौन सा
आप
bracelet चाहिए, because I do have a lot of bracelets, then you can reach out to me also.
okay,
I would definitely love to suggest
yeah,
what
that's what I'm
bracelet
saying.
would suit you the best. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we are going to take the next question. That is from Hitesh. हितेश का ये कहना है
Okay.
ही इज रिसेंटली डाइवोर्स्ड एंड उनकी जो पार्टनर थी वो बिना बताए उनको चली गई एंड शी डिमांडेड डाइवोर्स and he is like complete he don't know what the reason is and he has to set her free तो अभी वो बहुत परेशान है तो फिलहाल वो जानना चाहते हैं कि उनकी फ्यूचर कैसा है एंड we'll go for the same first question is related to marriage कि उनको दूसरी शादी करनी चाहिए और कब करनी चाहिए और उनका फ्यूचर पार्टनर कैसा होगा एंड सेकंड अगेन ही हैज द क्वेश्चन कि उन्होंने नया बिजनेस स्टार्टअप किया है उसमें उनकी क्या ग्रोथ है he is already very heartbroken from the first marriage because she
Okay.
left
So
unannounced. Yeah. Hitesh.
I'm sure. I'm sure it's very traumatic. Okay. So this is for Hitesh. This is for Hitesh. I have a very heavy sort of feeling while charging cards for him.
Oh
This is
god.
for Hitesh. Oh, this is very heavy. Let's see.
You can
All right.
you can already
Let's
feel
start
him,
with
I
this.
guess.
Yeah, this is very heavy. This is one thing when you're a tarot reader and when you sort of read for somebody, their residual
Mhm.
energy stays in your system. So every time I take
Oh.
a reading, I always make sure that I tell them that practice deep breathing for 10 minutes before the reading so that it's not too, damaging for me.
Okay. Sure,
All
sure,
right,
ma'am. You
so
can take your
I'll
time.
go
No
for
issues with
his
that.
business first. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how will Hitesh's new business be in the near future? How will his, wow, the cards flew out. How will his, okay,
Oh.
new business be? Okay. I think Hitesh, the first card that came out is Seven of Wands in reverse and the Knight of Cups in reverse. So these cards tell me that um, maybe a lot of people in the beginning, when you started this business, maybe a lot of people told you that it's not a good idea, you would not do so well, maybe you're not emotionally ready. But I think they'll have to bite their words back because going to do good. You're going to do good. अच्छा जाएगा ये business आपका. The Sun card is one of the happiest, most positive cards in tarot. And ये आया आपके business के लिए. So I'm not gonna lie, it's going to go good. I'll just suggest that don't tell people a lot of things. Maybe don't tell where you get your product from, or some things that you should not be telling people. And don't tell people how much you earn. Really, I'm sure you don't flaunt it anyway, but don't even say it. And keep like I'm sure you would realize when I say this that there are some things that you should not be saying or telling people openly. So make sure that आप अपने business के secrets you keep them secrets and you keep them safe with yourself. Also, don't, if people come to borrow money from you or ask for some financial help and you don't trust them, they are not your close circle, then don't help them. I don't think they'll return your money.
Right.
So that's your first question answered. Let's go to your second question. This is about Hitesh's marriage life. His marriage life. Alright, let's ask, is he emotionally ready to get into a new marriage?
Yeah. Okay.
Is he emotionally ready? I'm very happy to say, Hitesh, that you are letting go of the pain that had been caused because of your first marriage. You are letting that go. You are trying to focus on healing, which is very, very, very good. I'm very happy for you. And what was the next question? Um,
When
how
he
will
should
his
like get
second
married?
marriage?
How will his second marriage
Okay.
will be? Yeah.
When will he get married again? When do you think Divine Hitesh will get married again? A very specific card wants to come out. When will Hitesh get married again? Divine. Hitesh, it looks like although you're working to improve your emotional health, I don't think you're ready yet. There's a lot of baggage, there's a lot of burden that you're carrying. But how can he release this burden, Divine? What is your guidance for him? How can Hitesh release this? Okay. That are jumping out for him. Okay. The first one is to heal, it's very important to stay positive. And to stay positive, you need to sort of, just do things that make you happy. Going out with friends, enjoying, all of that is really important for you. You should really focus on having fun right now.
Okay.
Um, I see a new beginning of something happening for sure. Because this is Ace of Wands, and Wands talk about, when you have a lot of passion for something, maybe you really want a emotionally fulfilling relationship for yourself. Eventually, आपके साथ देखो justice होगा हितेश. So whatever happened in the past, maybe it was unfair. I'm sure it was. But eventually, justice होगा आपके साथ. You will get a good partner. Just make sure because we have 10 of swords here and 10 of wands here. So there's a lot of hurt,
Okay.
there's a lot of baggage. And I think आप अपने आप को भी कहीं ना कहीं blame करते हो that this happened to
Hmm.
me, maybe I was wrong. आपको self doubt होता है. So I think you should focus a lot on healing yourself and focus on self love, self worth. Just because something happened to us doesn't mean that we were at fault. So make sure that you're doing justice to yourself also.
Okay. Very
But
nice.
eventually,
Thank
you
you.
will get a good partner.
Wow. I really, really wish this for him. Okay, so one of the viewers, Mr. Shobit Mishra, we would like to have a yes or no card for him. जिस जॉब में वो अभी हैं,
Sure,
वो पूछना चाहते हैं उसमें शोभित की ग्रोथ है कि नहीं. So let's go for the yes or no card
sure.
for him.
This is Shobhit Mishra. This is for Shobhit Mishra. Mm, all right. So, Divine, will Shobhit's job be good for his career? Is there any growth in his current job? Is there any growth in Shobhit's current job? Uh, I'll take a clarification card on that. Is there Shobhit, I think आपको इसका आंसर पहले से ही पता है. I don't know why I have this feeling that you already know that in your heart you already know कि maybe you need a change. The Fool card came out as a clarifying card. You need to, I think all of the hard work that you put in, maybe आपको उसका इतना recognition इस job में नहीं मिलता है. And you know that, which is why you're asking this. I think you will get a new offer, or at least you're clear in your head कि इस job में तो नहीं मिलेगा because the kind of recognition that you're seeking, I don't think you'll get here. You will probably end up in a new job because the
Okay.
Fool card says that there's a new beginning and you'll take that leap of faith, which will be very good for you. And you will get, recognized in this new job.
Okay. Very nice. Okay, so next
So
we
I hope
actually
that
I am
answers
having
this question. Yeah.
I've got so many questions in my comment box I can see over here. So कृति शुक्ला का क्वेश्चन
Mm-hmm.
है कि अब उनके जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो कह रहे हैं बेटा शादी करने का टाइम आ गया है. उनके पेरेंट्स बहुत परेशान हैं. तो अब वो जानना चाहती हैं कि किस साल में और
Mm-hmm.
कब उनकी शादी होगी और कैसी रहेगी. Like she is having a really pressure from the family
Okay,
to get
Kriti.
married. Yeah, Kriti Shukla.
So, Kriti, when I read tarot for somebody and they ask me a time, I generally do
Yeah.
not believe in timeline. I believe
Okay.
that whenever I believe in divine timing more than, actual
Mm-hmm.
human years. But I'll still try to answer your question.
Okay.
Kriti Shukla.
So I have
When Kriti
Anjali,
Shukla.
Adarsh. I'll definitely answer your questions. Please wait for a moment.
Okay, so when will Kriti get married?
Yeah.
When will Kriti get married? When will Kriti get married? Okay, so first of all, Kriti, you are a very loving and nurturing person. You are somebody who cares a lot for people that, your family, your friends. You're a very nurturing,
Mhm.
caring sort of a person, which is why you are sort of, because there's a lot of conflict that is happening around your
Okay.
marriage. तो अगर ये upright आता card, see everybody is fighting, and because you're a
Mm-hmm.
caring and loving person and you don't want these fights because of you, you're sort of giving in.
Uh-huh.
Maybe your father or somebody like a masculine person in the family is sort of, you know,
Mm-hmm.
trying to convince you to get married. Um, and you are very burdened. You're extremely burdened here. So clearly डिवाइन ने ऐसा कोई टाइम नहीं दिया है हमें कि आपकी कब शादी
Mm-hmm.
होगी. डिवाइन has somehow just given us, the description of what is happening right now in your life. But let's try again. Like I told you, maybe because मैं ही नहीं मानती, years में, इसलिए मेरे को ऐसा आंसर आता है. Because I honestly believe that whenever you are ready, should you, go for marriage,
Yeah.
especially it is one of the biggest decisions of your life. It can make or break it. So make sure
Right.
that when you are emotionally ready, when you think you can take the responsibility of marriage, only then should you get married. But we'll still take a card out. When do you think Divine Kriti will get married? When will she get married? The card that we got out is justice. So again,
Okay.
divine is not really giving us a time, but because justice has a Libra connection. Justice card means Libra to me, which is October. Libra season शुरू हो चुका हुआ
Mm-hmm.
है. So maybe by next October, you should be able to get married by next October, if not sooner than that.
Wow. So we'll get
But
ready
just
for
make
it.
sure, Kriti, that you are emotionally ready. Yeah, but make sure that
Yeah.
you are emotionally ready because किसी के बोलने से शादी नहीं करनी चाहिए. I am like totally against that thought.
Right. Very true. This is very true. Okay, so there are so many questions about marriage. So I feel going to take a single.
Answer.
Can we do some general reading for the people who want to know when they're going to get married? Is there anything like that? Because my comment box is full of when I'll get married, when I'll get married. So mm-hmm. अगर सबकी शादी का single क्वेश्चन लेंगे तो I hope this
I
is going
don't
to be
think
very
we can
tough.
do like a general reading for marriage.
Okay, so
So
we'll
when
try
we
to
do a
take up as
general
many we
reading,
can.
yeah, let's do that. When we
Okay,
do
so
a
the next
general
question.
reading, I generally what I do is I post general readings on my Instagram. So I give them
Okay.
three options. Like I give
Yeah,
pile
yeah, I
one,
have
two,
seen
and
that.
three, and then
Right,
yeah. So that way, it generally resonates a lot, but not 100%.
okay, okay, wow. So we can try as much as question we can get. आदर्श
Yeah.
प्रकाश श्रीवास्तव जी ये कह रहे हैं कि बिहार जुडिशरी का एग्जाम है 7 अक्टूबर को. इसमें इनके सेलेक्ट होने के क्या चांसेस हैं? Okay, very important question,
Okay.
I
This
guess.
is
आदर्श.
Adarsh Prakash Srivastav. This is for Adarsh Prakash Srivastav. Okay. I'll give it one more shuffle. Adarsh Prakash Srivastav. So, which exam was it once again?
बिहार
Civil.
जुडिशरी that is PCSJ.
Okay. Okay. Bihar Judiciary exam. May will he be able to clear this exam? Will Adarsh be able to clear this exam? Will he be able to clear this exam? See, Adarsh, आपका first card जो आया था वो magician card आया है, which means that you have the ability to attract and manifest anything into your life. So if you with determination believe that you will be able to clear it, then you will. That's the first card, and generally the first card जो आता है, it's very important. It holds a lot of value. Then we have the
Yes.
judgment card here. This means blessings coming your way. Don't stress too much. Don't juggle between thoughts ki hoga nahi hoga. I think you will be able to clear it because we've got Ten
Wow.
of Cups here, and it's a very very positive card. It's a card of celebration. So I definitely think you will
Lovely.
be. We have King of Swords, which means that the King of Swords is somebody who is a very somebody who believes in doing justice to people, and
Mhm.
obviously because they're doing justice to others, they want justice to happen to them also. And then we have the Tower card that fell out. So let me just see, why do we have the Tower card here, Divine, for others? Yeah, so if people tell you, there are negative people around you, they tell you कि तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा or something, they try to
Mhm.
distract you from your goal, then make sure that you leave such people out of your life and focus only on good things, because I'll say it again, you have the Magician card, which means that you have the ability to attract anything into your life. So if you think कि हाँ मैं clear करूँगा तो आप कर लोगे, and if you think
Mhm.
negatively, then the result will be negative. So make sure that you're
Okay.
coming from a place of hope and positivity.
Right. Adarsh, all the best for your exam.
All the
Coming
best.
soon. That is coming soon. Next, we have from Monica Lalwani. You
Mhm.
can take your time and breathe.
This is from Monica Lalwani. What is the question?
Her question is about her career. Shall I continue with my current job or should I change my job?
Okay, I'll just give it one more shuffle. This is from Monica Lalwani. Also, people, while I'm reading, I would love to hear if you resonated with what I read for you. So, if you did
Yeah.
resonate, please drop in a message. I would love to hear your feedback. All right. I didn't even shuffle yet. Should Monica stay in the same job? Wow. You know what is funny? We just
Yeah.
read for somebody who said should they stay in the same job. उनके लिए भी एक कार्ड आया
Yeah.
था. Remember?
Yeah.
Ace of
Show
Swords.
with Mishra. That was
Should
Shobit.
Monica stay in the same job? Yeah. Should Monica stay in the same job? Should Monica stay in the same job? Are you kidding me? And the next card that he got was the Fool.
Oh.
This happens. It's so funny. Why do we have the Ace of Swords? Why do we have the Knight of Pentacles and the Fool? Monica, see, I think you um, are going to get a new offer, a new job offer. You're going to get, because we've got the Ace of Swords and Ace of Cups. So, a sword,
Okay.
first of all, Ace depicts a new beginning. So, we have an Ace of Sword here. Swords depict thoughts, action. So, I think either you're going to get a new project or a new something, like there's a new beginning definitely coming for you. And we have
Okay.
an Ace of Cups on top of that, and Cups
Mm-hmm.
depict emotions. So, because of this new beginning, you will feel very emotionally fulfilled. Like, I think you will feel like your hard work and everything else is getting appreciated. So, this new beginning or whatever new project or job, whatever is coming your way, it is going to be very emotionally fulfilling for you. The next card that we have is the Fool, which again talks about something new. So, definitely something new is coming your way, which will give you success, even money, but it's going to be a bit slow. Maybe you would want it to come in very quickly, but it's going to happen in divine time. and you've got the wheel of fortune also, which means आपका लक अच्छा हो रहा है, बदल रहा है. And I think the universe owes you this good luck that is coming your way soon. So all in
Okay.
all, a good thing. I think you'll either get a new job offer or you'll get a new project in your current job. Some change is coming for sure.
Wow. So I hope मोनिका जी आपको अपना आंसर मिल गया हो. So
I'll just quickly have a
बहुत
sip of
सारे,
water.
या श्योर 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 श्योर, तब तक मैं कमेंट स्क्रॉल कर लेती हूँ. So actually I'm seeing my comments over here and शोभित जी आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे दिया है. आप प्लीज जब ये वीडियो स्टॉप होगा, जब मैं इसको यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करूंगी, आई शेयर द लिंक एंड आप थोड़ा पीछे जाके देख सकते हैं. अच्छा, जैसे आपने बताया कि पॉजिटिविटी का आपने ब्रेसलेट बताया था, सतप्रीत के लिए व्हील ऑफ फॉर्च्यून का बताया था. अगर किसी को अपनी जॉब में आगे जाना है या फिर बेसिकली व्हाट यू कॉल कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज करने के लिए, बिकॉज आई एम आल्सो
Mhm.
स्टडिंग एंड डूइंग समथिंग, और बहुत सारे मेरे साथ वाले भी हैं, बट एक ऐसा पॉइंट आता है ना कि बहुत ज्यादा गैप हो गया है, तो वो जो
Mhm.
कंसंट्रेशन है वो नहीं स्टेबल हो पाता है. इफ यू वांट टू स्टडी अगेन या फिर इफ यू वांट
So
टू
for
डू समथिंग.
everybody who is giving an exam, yeah, yeah.
या.
So everybody who's giving an exam to excel at that exam, I have a bracelet for that also, and I have a bracelet
Mhm.
for improved concentration and
Mhm.
basically focus बढ़ाने के लिए. I have a
Okay.
bracelet for that also, and I think these days this one bracelet is flying. Like everybody is buying that, which is the golden bracelet, which attracts a lot of money,
Mhm.
fluid money, liquid
Okay.
money into your life,
Okay.
affluence,
Mhm.
luxury, and
Mhm.
splendor, all of that. So it's called the gold
Mhm.
bracelet. Um, I made it so many times now. A lot of people recently, only last month I've ordered so many bracelets, even this month. So I think that is one bracelet all the people who have business, they definitely should have.
Mhm.
And
Wow.
I also would want to recommend everybody this one bracelet because of this COVID-19 situation. There is a
Mhm.
bracelet for your physical, mental, and emotional health. I'm also wearing it
Mhm.
actually because I think
Okay.
health hai to wealth hai. Sort of,
Well
I
said.
truly believe in that. So this is the
हाँ.
green bracelet that I'm wearing. This is for physical, mental, and emotional health. This is the Evil Eye bracelet.
Okay. Okay.
क्योंकि मुझे भी बहुत नजर लगती है. So I really,
Okay.
really, I don't even like take this off ever. These two bracelets, I never take them off. So I would
Mhm.
definitely recommend a health bracelet also.
Okay. Wow. So health bracelet
And
you
for
can buy
everybody who's
golden
looking out
bracelet.
to get married,
Yeah.
yeah, and everybody who's looking out for marriage or love in their life, I have bracelets for
Mhm.
those also. If you want to attract an emotionally fulfilling relationship, I have a
हाँ.
bracelet for that. And if you want to attract a happy married life, I have a bracelet for that also.
Mhm.
Because हमारे इतने सारे viewers को शादी के questions पूछ रहे हैं, so I thought I'll suggest that also.
Okay. We have this question: which bracelet would help for attracting positivity? इन्होंने पॉजिटिविटी का एक ब्रेसलेट
For that,
बताया था
I
इससे पहले.
have. Hmm. So positivity, if you're feeling, let's say there are two kinds of things that pull you back. There is one thing
हम्म.
that because of your past, आपके past में इतना सब कुछ हो चुका है, आपने heal नहीं करा है, which is why you're feeling negative. So I have one bracelet to heal your hurt and जो पास्ट की
हम्म.
वजह से हमारा जो बैगेज होता है जो हम कैरी करते हैं और हम नेगेटिव फील करते हैं उसको हील करने के लिए एंड देन इफ यू वांट जस्ट टू फील हैप्पी तो उसके लिए भी अलग ब्रेसलेट है. So you can buy both, you can buy one of them, whatever works for you. I would
Okay.
suggest everybody to go to my page on Instagram and just
Yeah.
scroll through. जो भी whatever bracelet falls to you is meant for you.
सो मैं डेफिनेटली यहाँ पर जब आफ्टर द शो मैं कमेंट बॉक्स में इनका इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक डाल दूंगी, सो यू ऑल कैन गो एंड कनेक्ट विद हर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड ऑर्डर योर ब्रेसलेट्स. Okay, so next I would like to know about Anjali Madhesya. She wants to know about a career. I guess अंजलि ने LLB LLM किया है, तो she wants to know about her future.
Okay. This is for Anjali.
Madhesya.
This is for Anjali Madhusya.
Heath, I have
Anjali
already asked your
Madhusya.
question. You can please check your WhatsApp for that.
This is for Anjali's career, please.
Yeah,
Okay, so the question is, what is going to happen in the career front in the
yeah,
future,
career.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
What is coming for Anjali in her career? What is her future like? What is her future like in her career? What is her future in her career? What is her future in her career? Why do we have this seven of pentacles here? A card just flew out. Would you give me a second? Let me just quickly pick it up.
Sure, ma'am. दिव्या डोंट वरी आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चन आफ्टर दिस सबर करो आपकी शादी हम जरूर कराएंगे आज ही कराएंगे
Maybe Divya, meanwhile, you should go and check out our Shadi wala bracelet.
yeah exactly oh my god
Okay,
I've
why do we
got
have the double? Why do we have the star card? And the Knight of Swords. Okay. Divya, it looks like, I'm sorry, Anjali, it looks like you put in a lot of hard work in your career in maintaining or getting where you are currently. But now you're like, you know what? I've done all of this hard work. Where is that authority that I need? Why are things not, working out for me? And you're like,
Mhm.
now I'm not going to put in a lot of hard work. I want to see what the universe or divine has for me. And you're waiting for that sort of manifestation to happen for you. You're in a very Queen of Swords phase. Like, you know what? I am not like letting people walk all over me anymore. I deserve that authority because I have put in so much hard work.
Mhm.
This phase is turning or will turn, or it might turn a bit toxic. But the good part about tarot is you're already aware of what's going to happen in the future. तो आप अपने आप को mentally prepare कर सकते हो to not let that toxic thought or negativity come to you because you're already prepared
Okay.
for it. So you might just get, tired of um, holding your fort basically. And you would think that maybe things are not working out as quickly as they should, but the divine is saying your wish will come true. This is a card, the star card, this is a card of hope. So your wish will come true. A new something is coming your way. Divya, this is the Fool card, which means a new beginning. So
No, that
your
was for
wish will
Anjali.
come true, whatever you're manifesting. Oh,
uh,
my
yeah
bad. I'm so sorry. I'm horrible with names.
it's
So,
okay no that's okay
Anjali, Anjali, your wish will come true, and whatever you're manifesting right now, it will come to you. Just the divine is saying, don't block yourself. If it's not happening quickly enough, don't block yourself. Don't lose hope. It will manifest for you because this card is one of the most positive cards and very, card of hope basically. So don't lose that and never forget you are the star of your life. So maybe things are not happening the way you want them to when you want them to, but they will. So good things are coming. Don't lose hope.
wow okay so the good things are coming Anjali okay can you please check up Divya's question I must tell you she has pinged me so much on WhatsApp right away please I want to know when I'm going to get married so Divya Dubey wants to know when she is going to find a soul let's hear for Divya
Divya Dubey, and she wants to know when will she find her soulmate.
soulmate yeah
Divya Dubey. This is for Divya Dubey and her soulmate.
welcome Anjali
When will Divya find her soulmate? When will Divya and her soulmate? Why do we have the Ten of Wands and the Seven of Wands? Hmm. I think Divya, because of the things that happened in your past, or something has made you so strong, now you are in a very masculine energy right now. Okay. And you are a person of authority in your life, which is amazing. I always tell people that never let people walk all over you. You should always, always value yourself. Don't forget self-worth, self-love. Because when you practice
Hmm.
self-worth and self-love, you train people to treat you the way you are treating yourself. And you are treating yourself
Yes.
really well. But make sure while doing so, you don't get too egoistic and don't lose patience. And maybe you start losing patience with people very quickly. So, while practicing self love and self worth, make sure that you're not sort of becoming too egoistic towards people. I think you're also stressing a lot about finding your soulmate. You want a new beginning and you want it right now, which
Yes.
is not happening because जब हम lack, when we think like I want a partner, I want a partner, I want somebody to love me, when we think too much about it, we start focusing on the lack, on their absence, which
Hmm.
is why they don't come to us because we're focusing on lack, on their absence. And I think the divine would want to say that you need to sort of distract yourself, and if not distract, you really want to think about your future partner and you want to think about how your life will be when you meet them, but come from a place of hope and love and not lack. Like this should not be the situation. You are burdened. So this should not be how you attract your partner into your life. But I do see a big changes coming. The Tower card generally scares people, but I think of this as a change, a big, big divine change, which is led by God. Like when we get too comfortable in our life, we don't change. We humans hate changes. But I do see a big change, and I think you will fight that change. You would be like, no, this is how my life is, I'll stay like this. Because you are in the emperor phase. So make sure that you do not forget to balance your energies. Here, do you see the yin and yang, white and black?
Yeah.
Balancing your energies is very important. Like what we do is we always put forward our best, even to our own selves, and we forget to sort of embrace we embrace the good qualities, we don't embrace the bad ones. So you need to realize what qualities are good and what you need to change in your own self. And once you've achieved that, will you be able to move forward and find that perfect partner. Also, I think the
Oh,
divine wants to tell you that I think you should leave the hurt from the past behind. You need to heal. And once you've done that, you will be able to attract a perfect partner. To heal
okay.
the past, I would suggest, of course, I have a bracelet for that. You can definitely go to my page if you want a personal reading to as to know what is holding you back from attracting your partner. Of course, you can reach out. But the easiest way is to search affirmations to let go of hurt from the past. So start practicing those affirmations. That should definitely help you.
Wow. So this is something interesting you're telling about to go out for affirmations and wear bracelets. So there are much more way. जैसे बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि टैरो रीडिंग तो ठीक है, उसको टैरो में सॉल्यूशंस नहीं मिलते हैं. जैसे कि व्हाट वी से कि जब हम कुंडली दिखाते हैं तो हमें उपाय मिलता है. तो आज आपने वही काम किया यहाँ पे आके कि प्रॉब्लम के सॉल्यूशन
Hmm.
के साथ आपने उपाय भी बताए हैं. So that's amazing. Okay, so we'll be taking
Hmm.
last two couple of questions. This is from Arunanjali.
Yeah.
She's the associate director. Can you please tell me
Hmm.
about my future in the media line?
Future in career?
Yeah, in the media line,
Okay.
she wants to know.
All right. Arun Anjali Singh. This is for Arun Anjali Singh. This is for Arun Anjali Singh. This is for Arun Anjali Singh. What is our career going to be in the near future? What is our career going to be like in the near future? What is going to be our career like in the near future? It is, mhm. Why do we have the seven of wands here?
Oh,
Why do we have the two of swords and the eight of cups? Mm-hmm. Um, Manjali, I see that you're going to be a bit stubborn, a bit defensive. Maybe something new is coming in your career, a new change, a new offer, maybe a new job, something, a new project, even. Something is coming and you would try to resist it. I don't know why, but you will. Maybe because I think you're too comfortable wherever you are, you're very comfortable with that. And that is why you probably be resisting this change that's coming. But the divine wants to tell you that this is going to be a good change because we have Wheel of Fortune here. It's going to be a good change. Maybe you will, try to resist the change because when we are in a job, when we meet the same people for years and years, they become a part of our life and they become close to us. And even the kind of work that we get very comfortable doing. So obviously, we resist change because we're used to the same cycle, the same loop. But the divine is saying, don't block yourself, don't resist this change because it's going to bring you a lot of happiness. It's going to bring a lot of fulfillment in your life, and you will become a person of authority. Everybody will, you know, look up to you. They will think they'll come to you for seeking advice. And once you realize that moving out of this role or this thing that you're resisting, it's once you decide to let it go, you'll open a new door. You'll attract a lot of stability and money and success for yourself.
mhm.
So this is what I see for you that's coming for you in your career.
Okay. So this is for you, Arunanjali. Okay. So we are taking one more career question. That is basically a financial question from Kuldeep जी. Uh, उनका कहना है कि उनकी financial stability बहुत खराब हो गई है and the money is stuck.
Mhm.
So they want to know about this.
Okay, so what is his complete name? Kuldeep Singh.
Kuldeep. Kuldeep.
Okay, this is for Kuldeep. This is for Kuldeep. This is this is for Kuldeep. Wow, काफी stress ले रही हो आप कुलदीप. Feel so heavy. How is his financial situation going to be? How is Kuldeep's financial situation going to be? How is Kuldeep's financial situation going to be? Kuldeep's financial situation. Why do we have the magician here? Why do we have the star card here? Why do we have the four of wands? And the death card. Why do we have the death card? Kuldeep, see, first of all, you've got the magician card, which means you have the ability to attract whatever you want in your life. So if you
Yeah.
start looking at things positively, if you are, focus on good things, positive things, then you will attract money. So maybe you are focusing on the lack instead of
Okay.
money coming to you, you're probably focusing on money not coming to you. So I think you should change your perspective first of all. Once you do, you will get justice. You've got the justice card here. So first of all, balance your thoughts. Think what you want to manifest into your life. There are a lot of money attraction affirmations online. Go through different affirmations. Start writing them with the red pen and write them. I'll give you a technique. It's called a Tesla technique. What you do is when you want something in your life, let's say I want money.
Hmm.
So what I'll do is I'll pick an affirmation or I'll pick five affirmations that money flows into my life um, from all directions. Always. This is the affirmation, okay? Money flows into my life from all directions, always. What I'll do is when I get up in the morning, I'll write them the same affirmation three times. In the afternoon, I'll write it six times. And in the night before going to bed, I'll write it nine times. So this
Hmm.
Tesla technique is called 369 technique. So pick
Hmm.
such five affirmations, let's say money affirmations आप Google करके जो भी आपको अपने से relate करते हुए आप you feel like you can relate to it. Pick those affirmations, start writing them with the Tesla technique. Don't
Hmm.
miss and write it with a red pen or a pink pen. So start doing those. That should really, really help you because it helped me. So I'm sure it will work for you also. Baki, this is a card of hope. So, and good things. So, I think you're going to, if you keep hope, good things will come to you, Manish. Kuldeep, myself. I'm so
Okay,
sorry.
that's okay. No problem.
I
No worries. No
always
worries.
do
It's
this.
okay.
So, once what happened, I was taking a reading. The reading went on
Yeah.
for 1 hour.
Okay.
And this guy's name, I did not remember the entire reading. Can you believe it? So I have a lot of cards. I shuffle.
Yeah.
There is a different card for every guidance message that I want.
Yeah.
Every time I was
Yeah.
shuffling, I forgot his name. It was so
Oh my God.
embarrassing. Anyway, I see this is a card of victory, Kuldeep,
Uh,
and this is a card of money. Ten of Pentacles. This is the most positive card for attracting money or attracting affluence into your life. So I do see that you will be able to do good for yourself in your business or whatever you're doing. Good things will happen for you for sure, but you have to end a cycle. This is a cycle of lack. This is a cycle of feeling stuck. This is a cycle of practicing negativity or pessimism, basically. So you have to stop doing that. Only then will आपका जैसे सितारे चमकेंगे sorts because this is the wheel of fortune that we have here, and it will
okay.
happen very quickly for you. But you have to stop thinking negatively. You have to end that
Hmm.
cycle, and then very quickly your um, fate will change for good. So I
Wow.
think you should start practicing those affirmations, money wali,
Okay.
and use the Tesla technique. And
Mm-hmm.
after like 3 months, let us know how it worked for you because it has always worked for me.
Yeah. ओके सो जो ऑल माय व्यूवर्स आपको बता दें कि आप लोग जो गूगल पे या यूट्यूब पे एफर्मेशंस टेक्निक आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं एंड फॉर मोर डिटेल्ड इन्फो प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट उल्का आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर द इंस्टाग्राम लिंक इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो एंड जिनकी भी रीडिंग्स रह गई हैं आई एम गोइंग टू टेक टू लास्ट मैरिज readings because they are definitely going to kill me. They have messaged me around 10 मैसेज अलग उन दोनों लड़कियों के होंगे. रोली सिंह उनका क्वेश्चन है कि जिनके बारे में ये सोच रही हैं क्या वही उनके लाइफ पार्टनर होंगे बिकॉज टिल नाउ जितना मुझे पता है दिस इज अ वन साइड
Um,
स्टोरी.
okay, so her name is Roli Singh.
या
Roli Singh. This is for Roli Singh. Um, okay. How do you even put this question? The person that she likes, will she be able to get married to him? Yes or no? One card. Would she be able to get married to the person that she's thinking about? Sadly, Rolly, I don't think so. It looks like you are sort of um how should I put this? I'll get a clarification card though. Why do we have the seven of swords here? See, थोड़ी दोनों पार्ट्स में सिर्फ एक लड़की है. There is no partner here. It's just you. And I think आप बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हो इस बारे में. You think a lot about this, and like it's become more of an obsession than anything else.
Okay.
But I don't see you getting any sort of emotional fulfillment from this relationship or connection or situationship जो भी है इसमें आपको कुछ भी fulfilling नहीं दिख रहा मुझे आपको मिलता हुआ. And I think eventually you will realize it and you will only move on. You'll be like, I deserve better. I don't deserve this empty connection or whatever. And you'll be like, I deserve love. I deserve true love. I deserve a true connection. And eventually your self-worth will make you move out of this toxic situation. Because I don't think it's a happy situation. And you'll realize it very soon. And you'll only leave it. You'll be like, I deserve better. I want somebody who loves me and really cares for me, and I want a genuine connection. And then you'll be like, I don't want to be in this connection anymore. You'll only walk away.
Wow, really, please try for it. Okay, so sometimes ऐसा होता है because generally मैंने सुना है जो girls हैं जो भी हैं तो they think कि sometimes you feel like that person is made for you. बट इन वो जो पॉजिटिव वाली फीलिंग आती है हम उसको इंट्यूशन को फॉलो करते हैं. वी गर्ल्स जनरली गो फॉरवर्ड विद द इंट्यूशन. सो आपके अकॉर्डिंग एक इंट्यूशन फीलिंग कितना हेल्प करती है हमें?
I think every time I do something, I always follow my gut feeling. I always follow
Yeah.
my gut feeling because every time I have missed it, I've thought of maybe try to shun it away कि मैं ही ज़्यादा
Yeah.
सोच रही हूँ, this can't be it. And a lot of times, what we think कि हम इतने blessed नहीं हो सकते कि हमें intuition आती होगी. I think
Right.
we try to rationalize our thoughts कि नहीं, it's probably me overthinking. But every time
Uh-huh.
I've, not followed my intuition, I've always regretted it. So I will
Okay.
always tell people that try and meditate. That helps a lot of
Mm-hmm.
releasing a lot of negativity. It has helped me a lot. I try to meditate as much as I can. What also helps me in releasing negativity is burning candles. Like I burn candles twice for 1 hour
Mm-hmm.
every day. Because
Okay.
when you're
So
a tarot reader,
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
you tend to sort of pick up other people's energy and then it
Yeah.
remains in you. And generally, tarot
Yeah.
readers के पास जो लोग परेशान होते हैं वही आते हैं. So
Right.
if I let this in my system, I actually fell ill. I
Yeah.
couldn't read for like 10 days because I was so ill. Because I stopped
Yeah.
cleansing, I
ये
stopped
तो
meditating.
हाँ. Okay, so जो आप बता रहे हो like you burn like candle twice a day, तो can normal person can do that? जैसे कि आजकल सबको
Yeah,
emotional stress
definitely.
बहुत ज्यादा है. So how we have
I
to
think
do this?
सबको ही
Like
candles burn करनी. Mhm. मेरे 3 simple formulas है. Burning
mhm,
candles, going for walk in the moon. That really suits me. That is very very good for the soul. Everybody should do it.
हाँ
एक तो when you walk, आप physical exercise करते हो कोई तो आपका stress
हाँ
anxiety वैसे ही release होता है.
हम्म
This is like scientifically proven also.
yeah
Then the second is burning candles because when you're burning candles, I generally when I light a candle, I say a little prayer that with this candle, I release all of my negativity and everything that is
mhm,
holding me back.
okay
And I do affirmations. So
wow
these
so
three things I do almost every day, and it
mhm,
has really helped me.
right. So regarding burning candles, one more question I have कि जैसे कि you have to sit in a room, closed room, in a dark way and burn a candle and meditate. That's what you're suggesting.
No, not really. I light a candle when I'm working. I'm
Okay.
working on my laptop in the morning, and after I've had my
Uh-huh.
breakfast, I'm working. And obviously, the
Mm-hmm.
lights are on because I'm working, and it's the
Yeah, yeah.
daytime. तो वैसे भी धूप होती
Uh-huh.
है, but I still light a candle. It's not really important for
Okay.
you to sit in a dark room or something. Just light a candle.
Mm-hmm. So suppose the student जो है वो बैठे हैं पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल बिकॉज अभी काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस आप लाइक पूछे थे career growth में suppose you are sitting in a room, you're studying, and
Hmm.
you burn a like small candle, and you can start
Hmm.
studying. Does it helps to
It does,
concentrate
it
and
does, it does. And while you're lighting the candle, जो भी आपको intention है candle
Mhm.
light करने की, वो आपको universe को बतानी पड़ती है, because God has given us a free will. If we don't
Mhm.
ask for assistance, हमें नहीं मिलेगी assistance because free will.
Right,
तो a lot
right,
of people जब वो pray करते हैं वो मांगते नहीं है कि जो भगवान हमें देना चाहेगा वो दे देगा. But
Mhm.
I always
Right, right.
tell people that you have to ask for it, because हमें भगवान ने
Yes,
free will दिया है, so we have to practice it, right? उनको बताना तो
yes,
पड़ेगा. जैसे even if when you're hungry, you
yeah,
have to tell somebody to give you food, like your mother or whoever. Only then will you
yeah,
get food. So the
right,
same way, when you're lighting a candle, so अपनी intention बता दो universe को that let's say you want to focus more. So before lighting the
yes.
candle or while lighting the candle, just tell universe that
Uh-huh.
I'm lighting this candle, and this will help me improve my focus while I'm studying.
Okay, nice. So
Very
ये
simple.
बहुत ही अमेजिंग सी चीज़ है आपने जो मुझे यहाँ पे बताई है. एंड होपफुली अपार्ट फ्रॉम टैरो रीडिंग आई विल रियली मैं एडवांस में आपको इनवाइट करूंगी डेफिनेटली आफ्टर मे बी नेक्स्ट और नेक्स्ट वीक. वील टॉक अबाउट दिस, वील टॉक अबाउट पॉजिटिविटी एंड नेगेटिविटी एंड
Sure,
हाउ कैन पीपल कम आउट ऑफ दैट, राइट?
sure.
Okay, let's
And
take
maybe
up
I will be able to give out a few general affirmations to attract,
yeah,
um,
yeah,
your marriage
uh,
or life partner or money or even
right,
release negativity. Maybe I'll pick up a
yeah,
few, 5 affirmations on each topic, and then you guys
uh,
can sort of note them down or
wow.
something.
Exactly. So I'll definitely get you back soon on my stage for.
Sure,
Okay, let's take up the second last question. I'm telling it second last because last question I'll ask you after the show. So please stay back for me.
sure,
I hope you'll do with this favor. The last question for
sure.
online is Mrinalini Joshi. इनकी शादी कब
Hmm.
होगी?
Mrinalini Joshi. Mrinalini Joshi. What time is it?
It's I guess 7:30 almost.
Mrinalini Joshi.
That's why I'm taking up the last
I
question.
think we've for the first show, I think we've got a stupendous response. Thank you, everybody.
Yes, definitely.
Really appreciate
And
it.
बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन जो पेंडिंग है मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट हर पर्सनली ऑन हर इंस्टा हैंडल. आई डेफिनेटली शेयर इट. मोनिका जी सॉरी वी आर आउट ऑफ टाइम सो डेफिनेटली आप प्लीज इनको इंस्टा हैंडल पे आप पिंग करिएगा. शी गोज फॉर सम फ्री पर्सनल रीडिंग्स ऑल्सो समटाइम्स उनकी स्टोरीज पे वो करती हैं और जनरल रीडिंग्स भी करती हैं तो आप लोग उनको फॉलो कर सकते हैं सो दैट यू कैन बी इन टच विद हर.
Yes, please. So, Mrinalini ka question is, when will she be getting married, right? When will
या
Mrinalini get married? When will Mrinalini get married? When will Mrinalini get married? Why do we have this seven of wands here? Why do we have the Knight of Wands here? And the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Mm, this is a very confusing sort of a spread. I'll just take a second. Um, so here, Mrinalini, it seems like you want to attract a king in your life, and you've done a lot of hard work on yourself. But I think आप अपना true potential नहीं समझते हो, because look at this person. They have the Nine of Pentacles, but they're looking elsewhere. वो कहीं और देख रहे हैं. I think you have a lot to offer to somebody, but you don't realize your true potential, which is why it stresses you out. Which is why you get really stressed out about, will you be able to attract a good partner, fulfilling relationship into your life? But you do want to attract somebody who is very affectionate, somebody who is a person of authority, respected around, like everybody around the person respects them. They are just and with a lot of emotions. So the divine wants to tell you that you have the ability to I don't even remember how many times I've said it today, but you have the ability to manifest anything that you want in your life. And I
Okay.
think you're fighting it. Like I think you in your practical mind think that you want to get married and you want to attract a good, fulfilling relationship, but sometimes you know, like sometimes what happens is we are in two minds. There are days when we want
Mm-hmm.
something and there are days when we don't want something. तो आप back and forth कर रहे हो बहुत ज़्यादा. Which is
Mm-hmm.
why the divine is like चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए. And the universe gets confused because you're sending mixed signals. Sometimes you want to attract it, sometimes you don't want to attract it. I think your person जो भी आपके लिए destined है वो ready है. They are ready for you, but you are not ready for them, which is why this card came out in reverse. Because
Okay.
you are fighting it. You are not ready to give in. So I think what you need to do is first of all, let your friends help you, let your friends guide you. And if you have people around you जो आपको समझाते हैं कि you know to tell you the difference between attracting positively and focusing on your thought. Because अगर आप even if you talk to somebody like you're like a friend or somebody, if you one day you tell them
Mm-hmm.
one thing and the next day you tell them something else, then they'll have a confused opinion of you. सेम वे यूनिवर्स भी कंफ्यूज होता है कि आपको चाहिए वो फुलफिलिंग रिलेशनशिप या नहीं चाहिए. सो आई थिंक फर्स्ट you need to sit down and think what you want. Make a list. Sit down, make a list of things that you have to offer first of all, because you don't realize your true potential. You have a lot to offer. Make a list of things that you can offer, and then make a list of things that you want in your partner. And then start, then when we write things down, we get a lot of clarity, because when it's written and you write it with your own hands, of course you get a lot of clarity. So once you have that clarity, I think then you will be able to, sort of attract it without hesitation and without fighting so much with your own self. Because I think your person is ready. You're not ready to accept them right now. whoever डिवाइन ने जो भी आपके लिए बनाया वो रेडी है. बट आप उनको अपनी लाइफ में वाइब्रेशनली अट्रैक्ट करोगे तभी तो वो आ पाएंगे. आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग फॉर यू एंड आई होप दिस हेल्प्स.
Wow. So Mrinali is saying yes, she is very confused. Don't worry, Mrinali, we'll find a boy for you collectively. Don't worry. Okay, so now before leaving, I've got zillions of messages over here. This is one of the requested message. मैं आपको उनकी request भी दिखा देती हूँ. She is saying it would be really helpful if you can bring up this. So, which career suits me the best and when would I meet my life partner? तो इनके करियर से रिलेटेड तो हमने पहले बात करी थी. तो हम इनके लाइफ पार्टनर के बारे में जान लेते हैं फिलहाल. हाँ, तो मोनिका लालवानी के करियर के बारे में हम इससे पहले बात कर चुके हैं. सो फिलहाल लाइक थोड़ा बहुत जान चुके हैं. फॉर डिटेल्स यू हैव टू गो टू हर इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल. फिलहाल हम इनके लाइफ पार्टनर के बारे में जान लेते हैं कि इनको इनका लाइफ पार्टनर कब मिलेगा.
श्योर. दिस इज फॉर मोनिका लालवानी. दिस इज फॉर
हाय श्रुति.
मोनिका लालवानी. दिस इज फॉर मोनिका लालवानी. All right. When will Monica meet her life partner? When will Monica meet her life partner? When will Monica meet her life partner? Why do we have the Seven of Wands in reverse? Why do we have the Hanged One? Why do we have the Six of Swords? And the Two of Wands. Okay,
Okay.
so Monica, I see that you are letting go of resistance, in the sense that You are asking divine to help you. You are seeking their help. You are seeking their assistance. And वो जो एक blockage है या था actually in the past, आप वो हटा रहे हो अपनी life से, which is very good. But I see no action. मतलब आप चाहते हो कि आपका लाइफ पार्टनर आए आपके लाइफ में, बट आई सी नो एक्शन. ऑल्सो आई थिंक यू नीड अ न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव, in the sense you're quite blocked from the past. This could be past hurt, this could be self-worth issues, this could be many things. But there is definitely some blockage. And I think you've put your walls up very high. And you're like, जिसको मेरी लाइफ में आना होगा वो walls तोड़ के आ जाए मेरे पास, मैं तो यहाँ पे बैठी हुई हूँ. But that's not how it works, you know. You have to,
Okay.
there in a relationship there's always give and take. Maybe because of past hurt or somebody broke your heart or something, maybe bad
Mhm.
experiences in the past, you've really blocked yourself and you're like not ready to open up. And you need to change that perspective. Um, I see somebody definitely coming into your life which will help you feel healed. But I think Monica, right? Monica,
Right.
healing yourself is your responsibility. You should not put this burden on anybody else. You are your first responsibility. I tell this to everybody that before your parents, before your friends, before your husband, partner, whoever, आप अपनी सबसे बड़ी responsibility हो. And if you can't heal yourself, nobody will be able to heal you. So make sure this person, whoever is coming into your life, is a king of pentacles. They're very stable. They're very mature. They're good people. King of pentacles generally अच्छे लोग होते
Mhm.
हैं. But you putting that burden on him to heal you is very unfair. So I would say focus on your self-worth, focus on healing your own self, and only then attract a new person into your life. Because I'll tell you what happens. Excuse me, I'll just have a sip of water.
Sure, sure, ma'am. Sure, sure, sure. Don't worry. I have taken up this is the Monica's. This is the last reading for now.
So what happens
Uh,
is when we're in a place, let's say I won't take my example. Let's say somebody was in a relationship, they broke up, they're
mhm,
still hurt. And उस hurt वाली feeling में अगर आप कोई और relationship भी लेके आओगे, because you've
mhm,
not cleared your energy, आप दोबारा hurt
mhm.
होगे ही.
Okay.
So instead of attracting something into your life that is not
Mhm.
serving you well, I think you should focus on healing yourself first, so that you would be once this king of pentacles comes into your life, you'll be able to attract a happier relationship with him. So I think very important, you need to focus on healing first, is what I would say. But there's definitely somebody coming in. Give or take, I think 6 months. There's definitely somebody coming in.
Okay. So this was it. Thank you so much, Ilka.
You're welcome.
It was lovely, lovely, lovely having you over here. And definitely, मैं आपको वैसे ही previous like पहले advance में invite कर चुकी हूँ for only for the affirmations and everything.
Sure.
And guys, मैंने यहाँ comment section में जो किरण वासवानी करके comment आ रहा है, अ, ये यहाँ पे मैंने उल्का जी का Instagram handle comment section में already डाल दिया है बिलो माय नेम. तो अगर आप लोग को और डिटेल्स में जानना है और उनसे पर्सनल रीडिंग लेनी है तो आप उनको इस इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं. और इसके साथ ही यू कैन नो मोर अबाउट एफर्मेशंस. और अगर आपको कोई ब्रेसलेट लेना है लाइक गोल्डन ब्रेसलेट या फिर मैरिज के लिए या करियर ग्रोथ के लिए तो इविल आई ब्रेसलेट आपको लेना है तो ये सब आपको उल्का जी के पास मिलेंगे. एंड ये इनका इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल है जो मैंने यहाँ पे ऐड किया है. So Ulka ji, I would request you to please stay backstage. And
Sure.
thank you so much. I'm really, really grateful to you for being here on my show and showing us
Thank you
some
for having
different
me.
ways.
Thank you for having me. And everybody, just if you resonated with the reading, we would love to get a feedback from you guys. So please drop in a message on the comment section letting me know if you could resonate with the reading.
डेफिनेटली। सो अगर आप लोग इनसे रिलेट कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे कमेंट करिएगा, मोनिका डिड यू रिलेट विद हर, प्लीज लेट मी नो। कृति मैं आपकी रीडिंग इनसे पहले ही करवा चुकी हूँ, तो प्लीज वीडियो को बैक करके देखिएगा। एंड गाइज इफ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस ऑन यूट्यूब तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल फॉर, ताकि मैं आप लोग जितना सब्सक्राइब करेंगे यूट्यूब पे मैं उतने ऐसे आपके लिए गेस्ट लेकर आऊंगी। सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू उल्का to प्लीज स्टे बैक स्टेज मेरे लिए रुक
Sure,
जाइएगा प्लीज। So I'll
sure.
join you there. Okay, so guys, this was Dulka Sehdev ji over here. Thank you everyone for the amazing response. मैं फिर से आप लोग को बता दूं कि यहाँ पे Instagram handle है. Please go and follow her on the Instagram. Her bracelets really work. Trust me. And her readings also do. तो अगर आप लोग इनकी रीडिंग से कितना रिलेट कर रहे हैं, मृणालिनी, मोनिका, कृति, जितने भी लोगों ने देखा है और जिनके क्वेश्चंस मैं नहीं ले पाई, आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट। हम लोग जल्दी वापस आएंगे इसके साथ, एंड टिल देन thank you for being the lovely audience. This is Anchor Kiran over here. Thank you for being in my show. Anchor Kiran present. Please guys, we are still not in a safe situation, so please stay home, stay safe. This is Anchor Kiran signing off for now. मैं इस वीक फिर से आऊंगी नेक्स्ट वीक कुछ और अमेजिंग से टॉपिक लेकर, तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल, शेयर माय वीडियो ऑन योर फेसबुक, क्योंकि आप जितना उसको स्प्रेड करेंगे मैं उतने नए गेस्ट, नए टॉपिक, नया एपिसोड आप सबके सामने लेके आ पाऊंगी। तो थैंक यू सो मच, दिस इज एंकर किरण साइनिंग ऑफ। गुड नाइट एंड टेक केयर, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ।